Hello everyone, today we will be making this key, sketching it out using Solidworks. So let's go first. So let's go start parts and go to sketch. Then select the plane, top plane it is, then center line. So we are making center line so that we can align everything perfectly. Let's go one more horizontal center line. Okay, now this part is in. So now we will make a circle. That is the hole. Now an ellipse. Let's go. Okay, now this part is done. So now we need to define it. Okay, we will make a center line here so that we can align everything perfectly. Now let's select these two lines and make it parallel. So as you can see, the ellipse is getting ready. Now we made it concentric, and you need to define the length, the diameter of this, that is 140 as you can see, and this part is 45. We will define everything like this only, as you can see in the sketch on the right side, bottom right corner. So let's go, we have defined it. Now we will make the upper part. Let's go select lines. We will first make a parallel, a vertical line. Okay, done. We need two more lines. First, let's define it. This part is 300. Now let's go. Now we have to define everything. Add one more line here and one more line here. Okay, now we have added all the 4 lines that you can see. We will just need to define it. This part is 40. This part is 10. Similarly, this is also 10. Okay, now this is defined. Okay, so let's go make it symmetric. Now this is perfectly defined. As you know, when something is defined perfectly, it will turn black. That means it has been defined. Let's go. We will make one more line here. As you can see, here is a cutout, small cutout. It is of 2.88 mm. Okay, now this part is done. Now we will make the key, the front part. First, what we will do is that using lines, we will just sketch it out. After this, we will use the smart dimensioning feature to give dimension to this sketch. Let's go to smart dimensioning feature and give the dimension. Okay, 50. Now again, this part is 20. Okay, similarly this one 20. As you can see, whenever we are defining something, it is turning black, so that means it has been fully defined, constrained. 50. Okay, let's define this also. 78. Now 96. And finally this part is 108. Okay, now we will define everything that is left. 54, 32. Okay, this has been defined. Now we will make it. Okay, now this has been defined. We will use something else to make it. Okay, now there is one more blue line that we need to define perfectly. There is add a curve of 10 mm radius, as you can see. Now we will just give dimension to it, to sketch just, and this part is of 10, as you can see. Now done. Everything has been perfectly defined. Thank you.